Hi everyone! So this is how a typical day looks like in Genie Product Contest Manufacturing Facility. Pasok muna tayo sa laboratory. Hi Miss Edra! Hi Rish! Ito yung ating raw materials library. As you can see here, nandito lahat from base ingredients to active ingredients. We also have colorants and a lot of flavors. 35 grams per sachet. Ayan. Si Rachel yung nag-assist natin sa QA and QC. Kaya meron tayong ganito. Ngayon, ang nilalagay mo citric acid. This is how it looks like when we're doing weighings. So when it comes to formulas, precision is really the key. I'm very excited to show you bago tayo pumunta ng production area. Kakatapos lang natin sigaw ng room. So, meron na tayong hair cup. After that, magpupunta na tayo ng hand washing area. So, bago tayo pumasok ng production area, it's a must that we have to wash our hands thoroughly. Bakit? Kasi very pihikan kapag nasa food manufacturing ka. So, kailangan bago ka pumasok, nothing loose sa katawan mo para hindi siya mapupunta dun sa ating ginagawa. Okay, once we're done with that, diba, very high-tech, naka-foot pedal na lang tayo. And then, let's go to the hand dryer. Alright, so kita nyo, we're going now to the production area. Come on, come on! Diretso na tayo sa production area. Pero una nating makikita yung sa may packing area muna. So, as you can see here, pwede tayo mag-view sa labas pa lang. Let's go inside the packing area naman. I'm going to show you first, we're doing coding for every sachet to make sure na tama yung nasa batching natin and meron tayong facing for every batch that we're doing. So dito natin nilalagay yung manufacturing, expiration dates, and lot numbers. Oops! So here muna, we're going to put it in the boxes already. So every box, standard natin, meron tayong 10 sachets. And then on this area, we're going to add the stickers para seal yung ating boxes. Si Miss V nga pala, she's our production manager. So, sasamahan na tayo papasok sa loob ng blending and filling areas. So, this area is very crucial kasi dito natin biniweigh ang every serving. Pagkatapos i-fill yung mga sachet, we need to make sure na tama yung timbang niya. So, there may be some na kailangan ganito yung weight niya. If this one is 21 grams, so dapat hindi siya underweight, hindi rin overweight. So this is where we're forming our magic. Ito ay nilalagay natin yung mga powder sa loob. So even if it's in powdered beverage or capsule supplements, this is where it's going to be blended. So we need to make sure every batch that we're doing, we're checking the sealing as well para hindi tayo magkakaroon ng oxidation sa top.